Okay, welcome to this video. This with reference to Boomerang and the Boomerang MVP URL launch. And what I'm saying in this video is just my suggestion, my viewpoint, my own calculations, no guarantees, no promises. And this is based on a real life demonstration that was given by one of the trainers that had an account that had a special limited-less trainers account in order to do a live demonstration. So this is not possible by you yet, and these calculations are made according to that live demonstration with that special limitless account, that he could literally do successful trades one after the other, and he was able to do a successful range of trades, like series of trades of approximately 50 cents profits per trade every 15 seconds. Now that could vary. The 50 cents could be 30 cents, the 15 seconds could be 20 seconds or 10 seconds. But from, let's say the calculation that he did make 50 cents per trade every 15 seconds, then you have 4 trades in 1 minute, so 4 times 50 cents per minute, which is based on that everything is working properly, and probably with more networks behind Boomerang, so that everyone can do trading one after the other. Then you're able to earn $2 a minute. Now this is obviously best case scenario, and that's based on today. That is based on whenever the networks are being added so that everybody can do trading. And today is the 15th of June 2024, and it's not the case yet. So let's say $2 a minute, and it is possible that the 50 cents could be higher because of the self-learning AI factor, which is able to make bigger lot sizes and bigger profits as we go along. So at this moment it is best case scenario if there's more networks behind it, but worst case scenario long term. So let's say $2 per minute times 60 minutes per hour is approximately $120 per hour. That's, as far as I'm concerned, the near future calculations or estimates or guesstimates that we could see, or that we can hope for, let's say it like that, because until now Boomerang, the MVP URL launch, as far as I'm concerned, is not that what we expected it to be. Actually way worse. But anyway, this is just a little in-between video to give you hope, to hopefully give you hope, and this is to the best of my calculation abilities. And earlier potential examples were based on a beta version demos, because that was when people were still able to allow still use $1,000 or $1,500 per trade. Now it's only $50 or $60 per trade, lot sizes. So the early potential examples are completely not applicable anymore. And after May 2024, this year, Chavez and his development team needed to rebuild the entire system due to the fact that they couldn't scale it, the old system. So they had a different approach. So from May onwards to at this moment, they had to rebuild the system. So the earlier potential examples are absolutely not applicable anymore. So do not let yourself be hyped or misled by them. So yeah, I'm pretty sour on one side, and on the other side, okay, it is brand new technology. It is something extremely revolutionary, evolutionary. It is something that we can literally do click, make money out of thin air. And again, as a disclaimer, don't use money that you can't miss. There's still a lot of stuff that can go wrong, so don't be over enthusiastic. Don't hype this thing more than it's necessary. And I hope Chavez and his team is going to fix it. And there's lots to be fixed, to be honest. More networks behind it, servers, speed, loading time. There's lots to be tweaked and approved on the performance technology side. I hope that will happen, and I hope and I'm almost sure that Chavez will find something to make it so that we can all use it regularly and more appropriate, more lucrative and faster. For now, this is the best I can do, and again, this is just a potential calculation, guesstimate, projection, how it can be soon, and this example is made based on a special limitless trainers account live demo. This video I have posted on this channel as well, so have a look for the best live demo video on this channel. Thank you so much for your time. I hope that this gives you a little boost again. The enthusiasm literally left the building in our teams, and I hope you have different experiences, but for now I hope Chavez will come to the rescue again. Thank you so much. Click links below if you're interested in this, or otherwise wait.
Welcome everybody. Joe, what a wonderful presentation, excellent presentation, and I hope you all had much clarity on the amazing products we have, the ecosystem that we are building, and with the launch of Boomerang's MVP, what we have achieved is nothing but exceptional success. And we all know that we, at the time of launch, we created history in a way. For the first time, we congested an entire blockchain. 26% of resources we were using as a smart contract. We were one of the top smart contract which was using the gas consumption. So with that, what we have is an exceptional product in terms of arbitrage platform, and I'm more than honored to be able to demonstrate this platform to you all. Very quickly, let me share my screen with you all and take you all to the exciting dApp that has been developed and delivered by the brilliant none other than Chavez. So
thank you. Okay,
so
have the annotations, please.
Yeah, please. Sorry. So let's keep the excitement rolling, and we have this live dApp with us, Boomerang, which gives an exceptional feature of making profits on every single click. So, ladies and gentlemen, all you need to do in this exciting new dApp is just to connect your MetaMask wallet that already has been whitelisted. And if your MetaMask wallet is whitelisted, you might be able to see this profit ceiling. There are many accounts which are receiving the message that they are not permitted or they are not able to view this profit ceiling. That means their accounts are not yet whitelisted. It doesn't matter when it was purchased, but there are a few accounts that are not yet whitelisted, and the development team is right now working on getting all the accounts whitelisted. You don't need to raise any support tickets. You don't need to consult anyone. That is the backend work that is ongoing, and every account on Boomerang will be whitelisted eventually. So this dApp has been so uniquely designed, and the UI and the UX have been excellent so far. I have the privilege to show you and demonstrate to you unrestricted trades, and I'm honored for that. So this dApp practically consists of very minimal settings and interface. Over here you have menu in which you have the dApp and the transaction history. It is quite resembling to the beta testing dApp that we had access, and over here there are your wallet settings to connect and to disconnect. All right, so we will go back to dApp. And on the dashboard, you have only 3 buttons. One is refresh, the other one is to optimize gas fees, and the third one is automatic transactions. Just 3 buttons, nothing else. So whenever you are starting your trading during the day, for the first time only, you have to do what? Press this button, which shows optimize gas fees. The gas fees, although Chavez had mentioned there won't be charged, but there was a different format for consumption of gas fees by the smart contract, but that was not feasible. And again, it seemed to be a restriction on the new dApp. So for that reason, the gas fees features have been enabled. And for that reason, what we need to do is just for the first time when we are starting trading, all you need to do is press this optimize gas fee option. And as you press this button, it will pop up a notification for a confirmation or a sign in on your MetaMask wallet, and all you need to do is sign. So you will receive a message, optimize gas fees, and the message on the button, it will change. The gas fees is optimized. All right. So that means Your user stat that shows your profit ceiling. This is what the total profit ceiling is, and this is what has been left, and this is the total profit that you have made so far. All right. The upper section has total volume, total profit, total number of users. As you can see, it's almost 119,030 users so far. All these numbers are, not exactly correct. There are some changes that, they will reflect properly. And as you can see, this transaction, it changes in real time. So overall, we have like 513,936 transactions so far. And this will keep on changing. You will see after some time this figure, it changes. That means real-time transactions are happening, and even you can verify that on the smart contract address on the blockchain. So over here, this is a refresh button. So all you need to do is just refresh it once. After every trade, you need to do this, and as you refresh this, it practically refreshes your dApp. You just check if your user states are properly displayed, and all you need to do after that is press this auto transaction button. As you do that, the AI takes care of everything. Sometimes you will receive this message, arbitrage failed. Please try again. I'm sorry. So you will receive a pop-up on your MetaMask wallet address, and this is an important part that you need to study properly. The first section, it shows estimated changes. It practically defines which coin or token you will get as benefit, and the the percentage above amount of the coin in dollar. So that's almost $0.30. And also you need to check the estimated gas fees, even that is displayed over here in dollar. You will always make sure that your gas fees is very nominal and you make more profit than your gas fees. So this is a way to check if there is, the gas fees in limit on the blockchain. So once you are comfortable that your profits are more than your gas fees and you're comfortable with the profit you're getting, almost $0.30, all you need to do is press confirm button. And as you press this confirm button, the AI again takes care of everything. And in a way, AI, chooses the pair for you, does the arbitrage trading for you, and also credits the rewards directly into your wallet. So you will find the auto transaction is taking place, and automatically the trade will execute. And here you can see success. The trade is success. Let us view this transaction on the blockchain, and you will be surprised that the transaction is successful. As you can see, the transaction hash code, as you will discover, this is what we have borrowed from Aave. The basic essence of arbitrage trading and the flash loan remains the same. We borrow from flash loan lenders. So you can see over here that almost $57.90 worth WBTC, wrap Bitcoin, have been borrowed from Aave. And at the end of the transaction hash code, you will see same has been returned with its interest fee. All right. And this is the second last transaction in which you can find the wallet address. And as you can see, $0.30 worth wrap Bitcoin has been credited to my wallet. So again, what we will do, we will go back to dApp, and all we need to do is again press refresh. The user states are proper and auto transaction. That's it. Again, a notification will pop up on MetaMask wallet. Refresh. Auto transaction. Same thing. Just confirm 0.47 Matic. Before that, let me reject this and let us go to our MetaMask wallet, and let us have a screenshot of our assets. Let us see what assets we are having over here on MetaMask wallet. So let us take a screenshot of this assets. And record it somewhere over here. All right. And again, let's go back to dApp. Let's refresh it and do auto transaction. A notification on MetaMask wallet. And you will see, you can find The estimated changes are in USDT and $0.26 worth USDT I will receive, and the gas fees is almost $0.02. All right, we'll confirm this. So 0.26 USDT received, although the profit seems less, but it's a profit and it's a consistent profit. And all you need to do is sit back and press this button as many times as possible. On every single click, the trade will be successful. This is something guaranteed. This is something very unique, and this is something which we have never ever seen except for beta testing, of course. So the gas fees, let us check the gas fees. It's just $0.01. And as assured, as promised, 0.24 directly into my wallet. So again, it was borrowed from Aave. Here, it was 56.92 in dollars and 56.95 returned back to Aave, and $0.24 worth USDT credited into my MetaMask wallet. So let us check. So USDT that I was having is almost 13.29725, and the one I received is 0.239399. So I must have almost 13.5366 USDT in my MetaMask wallet. Let us check that. Over to MetaMask wallet, tokens, USDT. As you can see, let me verify this, let me confirm this. So you can see the stats over here, 13.5366, 13.5366. So wallets get credited by the smart contract automatically as the trades are executed, and you can practically do this as long as you want. The DApp is available 24/7. That means any person can transact anything as much as possible. All you need to do is press auto transaction, and that's it. A confirmation on MetaMask wallet. Now see this, the profit is received is almost $0.02, and the gas fees also is $0.02. So all you need to do is keep a track of this notification on MetaMask wallet. Now profit and estimated gas fees seem to be similar, so we will reject this trade. It is up to you. The smart contract will show you how much profit you're gonna make and what's the gas fees that you will consume. Just make sure that your gas fees is always lower than your profits. We'll refresh this again, and we will auto transact. Again, the notification on MetaMask wallet. Now the profit is 0.32 and the gas fees is 0.02. So let us confirm this. Again, the profit was in USDT. Success. Let us review the transaction hash code. The gas fees $0.01 and the reward received $0.27 worth USDT. So that's 0.27430. All right. So we will add this. Where's the plus what figure we were having? 13.5566. I think so. 13.5566. Almost 13.830830 should be in my MetaMask wallet. Let us check. Tokens, USDT. Okay, I would have missed some figures. Almost 13.8, right? So practically anybody can sit and do back-to-back trading. So can you believe this? And can you just realize the potential of this platform which we have delivered? Maybe 50 cents or 30 cents in 30 seconds. And people can do this as long as they are comfortable. Maybe with a single person, you can try in shifts but this is a platform that will be available 24/7. So if this kind of opportunity is available, why would anybody would like to do anything else? And that is what a critical component to be determined over here, and that is the precaution that we have to take. And for that reason, the restrictions have been laid on the DApp. We already observed that at the time of launch, we congested the entire blockchain. We were consuming 26% of the entire blockchain resources. Polygon is a very smart and very good blockchain. See the profit 0.53, the gas fee 0.02. Let us confirm this. Let us book this profit. And this will never stop. This can happen every time, all the time. You can practically trade with this and success. There is no provision for a failure of trade. This is what we have achieved. This is what we have been delivered with by Chavez. So you can see over here, $0.52 worth USDT. Gas fees 0.01. Would anybody tell me to stop? I'm just doing this for like refresh, auto transaction, refresh, auto transaction, confirmation on MetaMask, 0.044 worth Ethereum, and gas fee 0.02. Let us confirm this. And the listings over here, these are, let us view on smart or on the blockchain. So this time we booked wrap Ethereum, Aave 38.98 borrowed, $0.44, 0.00. This is the Ethereum value. Gas fees again 0.01. So we can keep doing this. There is no end to it. We will keep doing this, and it will continue to generate profit on every single click. Now, where else will you find such a platform which can give you profits on every single click? This is exceptional. This is unbelievable what we have been delivered with as an opportunity. But again, with great responsibilities or great power comes great responsibilities. So we need to be sensible in terms of using the platform. And for that reason, the restrictions have been laid. And again, I'll repeat, I have already explained why restrictions were laid, and I will repeat that these are temporary restrictions. Chavez and his team are already observing, keeping a check on the DApp transactions as well as the blockchain, and eventually they are trying to figure out what can be the most sustainable way by which everybody can make a profit of this platform, as well as they do not disturb the entire blockchain systems. You know what, if Chavez releases the restriction, if they are laid off, we will again, in just 30 minutes, we will again, we will break down the blockchain. We have such a powerful platform, such a powerful system that we have been provided with. So feel blessed, just a little patient that can we have, and eventually these restrictions will be laid off. And in a way, Chavez will figure out something with which everybody can make a profit without disturbing the entire ecosystem. So Grace, over to you, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share this amazing platform with everybody. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. I know it's late where you are. Thank you for your time to come here and give us this fantastic demonstration and training as far as what the real McCoy looks like. We look forward to it. Ladies and gentlemen, this will conclude our event today. Could you lower the music a little bit, please?
Okay, welcome on this video. Thank you so much for clicking. You could have clicked on a different video, and I do believe that this is absolutely the most important video at this moment when it comes to Boomerang, and especially to Boomerang, to the Boomerang MVP URL launch. Today is the 24th of June 2024. And I'm going to try to explain in a humble way that there are two kinds of celebration, and there's a lot of mixed feelings at this moment, because one, you have the CEO and the development team. That's camp number one. So when you see to the left of this picture, you see the CEO and the dev team. The dev team, that means the development team. And camp number two are the license holders, the license users, so the users of Boomerang. And those two mindsets and those two individual kinds of celebrations are completely different. On the left hand side, you'll see the CEO and the development team, and some people that are really technically inclined, they are extremely happy. They're extremely happy because they have developed and they see a way that the entire idea, the concept, is a stackable interrupter, and it's done with AI mass calculations and the performance. So they're happy because the product is doing what they developed it to do, yet it's not performing to the likes of the users. The users are not happy at the moment because it's not giving the yield, it's not giving the return on investment, it's not giving the high profits. So the license users, the members of We Are All Satoshi that bought a license, they just want to see that it's easy, they want to make money, and they want to make team commissions, and they want to create lifestyle. But the development teams, they're extremely happy because they had an idea in December last year, a concept. They made it into a stackable interrupter. Stackable interrupter means that 4 technologies came together, which is a huge task. So arbitrage trading as first technology, on top of FLASHLOANS, on top of smart contracts, on top of AI. That's what we call a stackable interrupter. So it's interrupting the status quo. That's why they're very, very happy, because they did it. They really did make a stackable interrupter. They brought arbitrage trading, FLASHLOANS, smart contracts and AI together. And they used AI for mass calculations. And the performance is very important for those people. And performance has to do with that it is multi-channeling, that it's multi-channeled. It has to do with servers and bandwidth and loading speed and the variable ways that it needs to work on your computer, your network, your country. So basically the celebration at this moment for the CEO and development team is completely different than the celebration of the users, of the end users, those who bought a license, because they want to see more money easier and more team commissions and basically want to create a lifestyle. And that's not it yet, because the performance and the happiness for the license for the users are not there yet, but it will be happening because the developers and the CEO are working on all those facets, the multi-channels, the servers, the bandwidth, the loading speed, to make sure that it's all working on your computer, etc., etc. Because basically, and that's the most important thing I do believe, is that Boomerang has created automated exponential AI trading software. Exponential means that it is literally finding out from multiple cryptocurrencies and multiple decentralized exchanges the best profits, the best differences between the different currencies. So it's huge. So please do not be disappointed yet as a licensed user, because you have a different expectations than the expectations of the CEO and the development team. They're extremely happy because the basic technology works. They do 20,000 how do you say it, 20,000 trades in a minute or something like that, or in an hour, I don't know, but it's working for them to the level that they are very happy. Yet the users, the license buyers, they're not happy yet, and that's understandable. So please be patient, allow the CEO to take a breath of air, allow the development team to celebrate for a little while before they are fixing it so that the celebration of the users can be celebrated as well, meaning that it will be easier, making more money, that you'll be able to make more team commissions because the product is working, and that you're able to create a lifestyle. So I hope this helped you, because I was literally depressed after I saw the results of the actual MVP launch, way less than the actual test groups and the test phases. And in the test phases and in the beta phases, it worked in a completely different way. Chavez and its team created a completely different approach, completely different animal that is working, and that is working for the masses, and that is able to be scaled so that it's working for lots of people at the same time. Completely different. After they tried it out, the first approach before May this year, they needed to rebuild the entire system, and with this new approach they literally created it so that it's successful for everyone at the same time with mass amounts of trades. So lots and lots has happened, and now I do believe that there will be a third phase that will try it out for 1 or 2 or 3 weeks in order for the development teams to make the yield, to make the return on investment, so the net profits in your MetaMask wallet better, quicker, and more efficient and easier and safer. So hope this helped you getting a better understanding of the reason why the CEO and the development teams and some of the leaders that are more technically inclined are celebrating. Don't be jealous. They are celebrating for different reasons than the users/license holders, the members. We will celebrate a little later. Just allow them, because it's still the MVP, the minimum viable product launch phase, allow them to now tweak and make the technology better, the performance and so on and so forth, in order to get better results for us or you, the license user, in order to celebrate just a little later. Thank you so much, Chavez. Thank you so much, teams, leaders, trainers, developers. It is truly an interrupter. It's truly a new technology that we are being part of. We're part of the test group, so Chavez and the development teams are very, very grateful that we en masse try this and en masse create the data for them to make the AI work better. And don't forget that AI is self-learning as well. So there's a lot of stuff and influence that the CEO and the development teams can do, but the AI itself is self-learning too. So the more we try it, the more we fail, the more we are successful, the better it is for the AI technology to learn and to be self-learning, giving us eventually better results, better or bigger amounts of money in order to fulfill our dreams and aspirations. That's basically all we want. As a user, you just want to switch the switch and see light. You don't want to study about atoms and all kinds of fusions and Einstein kind of technology. You just want to see light. You know, we just want to see money in order to have a lifestyle as a licensed user. Now, the development team and the CEOs, they really want to see the technology. They want to create light. They want to create new things. So please allow them their celebration for a little bit. And at the same time, they have to move there behind. And they know that. They know their responsibility in order to get better results for us or for you, the license holders, the users, the members. Thanks again. Click links below to get a license immediately. Get your license now, because it is working. It's not working as we want it yet, but it's working. So we have a product to show for. It's literally click and make money. It's literally AI doing the work for you. You don't have to trade. You don't have to sit behind 3 or 6 or 9 screens in order to know everything about the market. You don't have to be a rocket scientist, a trader or whatever. It's literally click and make money. How easy can it be? That's the new development. And then I'll see you on yours. And please, would it be okay to also hit the little thumbs up button? So share, like, hit the little bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I or we upload a new video. And pretty soon we'll both be happy. The CEO development teams and the technology people, as well as the license users and the members. So please do hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I or we upload a new video with new developments. See more videos on this channel. Get a hold of the person that brought you to this video. He or she has a huge surprise for you. It will blow back your hair and knock your socks off for the next 5 generations. You'll be whistling and eating ice creams for the rest of your life. And please stay grateful for the person that you would like to become, even though you're not it yet. Be grateful for the circumstances that you would like to live in even though your circumstances suck at the moment, and be grateful for the material wealth, the fun stuff that you'd like to enjoy here now on earth, like boats, cars, houses, fashion, jewelry, whatever is on your bucket list. Be grateful for that already, as if you already have it, even though you don't have it yet. Imagine it. Use your visualization techniques to be the person that you would like to become, the circumstances that you'd like to live in, and also the material wealth. And that's how you practice the law of attraction. You don't have to necessarily sit in a $3, $6, or $9,000 NLP mass indoctrination, hypnotizing hallelujah to the guru kind of Florida event. Those are all theories how to use the law of attraction, but how to that's talking about and learning about the law of attraction, but how to practice it is just be grateful right now already for the things that are not here yet. That's how you practice it. That's the difference between learning about apples and eating an apple. And then I'll see you on yours. Thanks to your own gratitude, the Boomerang developments, and the way we're able to create and distribute wealth at this moment. I'll definitely see you in the most wonderful resorts, top hotels, worldwide, and on the most beautiful beaches of the world, because that lifestyle is there for you too, and you're more and more than worth it. So grab it, own it, claim it. I'll see you there. Thank you.